Hey everyone, welcome to the Dev Thing. In this video, we're going to be looking at part 2 of messing with perfection in this multi-part video that I'm putting out modding my 911. If you haven't seen the previous video, that's alright. You can follow along in this video. This video is going to be focused on getting my 911 and the wheels and suspension over to Getty Automotive where it gets installed. The previous video has details of what these mods are and the specs for the wheels and tires. Make sure you watch that first video. Like I said, this video is going to take you back to the day when I take the 911 to Getty Automotive. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Those are supposed to be super light, but with the tires on, it's a bit heavier than I would want it. It's around 50 to 60 pounds, so it's hefty. It's the next day now, and I am loading up these tires and wheels into these rental car that we have, big enough to carry all of them, so that's pretty cool. And we're gonna take it up to Getty's and have them install the coils and these tires and wheels on. So let's get to it. I'm quite impressed with this Infiniti Q60. It's massive, it's deep, it's let's just say it goes a long way. Oh, these cup twos are sticky as hell. Now, the 19 by 9s up front are much lighter than the ones at the back. The 19 by 12 is just, yeah, there's no playing with it. It's pretty good. Oh. You could stand these upright. So I can put one thick tire and one small tire and one flat down like that. It's pretty good. Look at that. All right, let's get the other one in. This would be a good time to start appreciating the details in this wheel. So this is the back half of the wheel, and look at the three-piece design, how it's put together. Really like how the counterbalance weights are put in there as well. So out of sight. There are two here, I'm guessing somewhat necessary for what it is. But look at all these weight-saving design measures. These are all like grooved out in order to save weight, is what I believe, or what I understand. Either way, super cool, isn't it? All right, that was it. All packed up, all ready to go. And let's see about getting these put on, getting it to Getty ASAP so we can get this done. Let's go for a drive. All right, the Infiniti is packed and loaded. Let's get the 911 out of here as well. Okay, the whole family is going to join me on this trip. My beautiful wife with her fake fur coat is going to help me take the car or get the wheels transported to Getty. What do you think of the wheels?
I think it's very sexy. It's like a nice pair of Christian Louis Vuitton shoes, just in case you don't know.
That's how I justify my cars and my expenses on cars. I compare it to purses and shoes, and I always win that battle. All right, let's go.
Come on, baby.
There goes my wheels. And I gotta transport this over to Getty as well. So let's go. All right guys, we're at Getty's now. We've got the car, we've unloaded the tires, it's inside, and we're gonna drop it off for the day, and we're gonna come back Thursday night or Friday morning. So let's see how that goes. It's gonna be a full day's worth. He's gonna spend an entire day with this car, maybe half a day, I don't know how much time he's gonna spend. But install the coils, get the wheels on. He's gonna take some footage for us so we can see what it's like with the coils on and without the coils, and kind of do some snippets for what the install is like as well. It's not that difficult to do, so let's check it out. That's a cool truck there. He took that truck to SEMA, and it's got some pretty interesting details. If you want to see a coverage of this truck in the next video or a future video, leave a comment down below. Well, there are my wheels, put away nicely with some cardboard, the coils. Monster truck that he drives around in. Look at that. Those are crazy. And then there's this GT3, the 991 GT3. It's awesome. It's so well planted. It's on stock coilovers, tuned, dropped, lowered, whatever it is. It looks pretty amazing. Look at the wheel gap here. Not much at all. Look at this thing. The cold start, it's just super loud.
I'll only rev it when the motors are hot, but it really cracks when it's hot. Like,
oh yeah.
You can hear me the whole business part. So save 50 pounds and put a lot of psychological horsepower into it.
Psychological horsepower? That's awesome. Well, thanks for turning this on. It sounds amazing.
No problem.
Look forward to getting my car in a little bit, so I'll see you very shortly. Welcome back. You guys made it till the end. Getty, or Sean Getty, has a whole lot of projects in that garage of his, and it was so hard not to kind of film some of it and show you guys what he's got in there. Like I mentioned before in the video there, if you like any of that content, you want to see any of his projects in more detail, leave a comment down below and we'll try to go cover that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. There's going to be another part to this video where I come back to Getty Automotive to see the final product. This is where I get to see the car for the first time with the wheels and the suspension put on, especially the ride height and so on, and then he'll do a final alignment. So watch out for that video. I'll put that out shortly as well. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of this type of content, and definitely hit that notification button so you get notified when I upload the next video. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.